Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you what all results Rahu will be giving if it is placed in the 11th house. So 11th house is the house of fulfillment of desires. What all wishes you want, if you do not have strong 11th house, then your wishes cannot be fulfilled. So what results this malefic planet will be giving if it is placed in the 11th house? So we will understand all of it in this video because this video is going to be very interesting here. So I'll request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so you may keep on getting the updates of my videos in coming future. So let's start. Rahu is a planet which is malefic in nature. Rahu shows a manipulative energy. Rahu shows desires of a person to an extent wherein he becomes very passionate towards that activity in his life. So when Rahu is placed in the 11th house shows a person's desires. Whether his desires will get fulfilled or not, that is shown by the 11th house. 11th house shows elder sibling. It is a house which shows your relations with your colleagues in the office. This house also shows gains, incomes, and your fulfillment of your wishes is shown by 11th house. This house shows associations also. So when Rahu is placed here, the person's, this is considered to be the best placement of Rahu in the 11th house, because whatever the desire the person will be having, this placement will help him to get it. Because Rahu gives positive results in this placement. But these people always want to achieve more and more in their life. But their achievement or their wishes get fulfilled because this is considered the house of fulfillment of desires. These people get fame and name and fame in their life with the foreign things. If they are associated with foreign company or if they travel abroad, then they become very famous and it is very lucrative for them. Their income rises if they associate themselves with foreign things or foreign land. This is a very good placement for a person who's into research work. This is a placement for a person who will be coming up with new skills, or if they've been doing any kind of research, they will be able to come up with new researches, and their researches will give very fruitful result. They will add up new dimensions in their research. This is the best placement for a person who's into astrology. This placement shows that the astrologer will be inclined to dig deeper into new things. They will add up new dimension, they will add up new ideas, and they will come up with new thoughts and researches which will transform the existing things into higher level. Because whatever they dream, whatever they research, whatever they work on, they keep on doing it, because Rahu is a foreign element or something which is unknown. When this unknown energy becomes your passion, which is there in the 11th house, then that passion will give you fruitful result, because your desires, you have become passionate about doing or working. If you are working on a new subject, that is a research subject you have taken up, and you want to get the result of it. When Rahu is placed in the 11th house, then that passion to take out the result from your research becomes so high that it gets fulfilled, but it might take little longer. But since Rahu is there in a 11th house, that foreign thing or that unknown thing which will become very visible for everyone, because that is the desire of a person. So whatever he desires, it comes true. So this is one of the best placement for scientists, for people those who are into research work. This placement also shows good profit for people those who are into stock market or those who are into trading businesses. This is one of the best placements here. Conjunctions also plays an important role here. If, for example, Rahu is conjunct with Sun here, then the person will get benefits from government organizations. If Rahu is conjunct with Jupiter here, then the person will get much benefits from teachers or from their gurus. So this is how we have to see the placement of Rahu in the 11th house. This is one of the best placement which helps a person to rise in his life. When we will see it in numerology, if the person has destiny 7, then it adds up, the chances of his desires to get fulfilled even higher. He can achieve whatever he wants in his life when destiny number is 7 and Rahu is placed in the 11th house. This is how we will be combining numerology and astrology here. So guys, this was my observation on Rahu in the 11th house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so you may keep on getting these interesting videos. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Namaskar.